Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to add a what to bring list on Evite. So you're creating an invitation and you want to add a list where you can tell other guests what to bring. This is very good for situations. Let's say you're having a sleepover and you want everyone to chip in one or two, or you're having a camp or camp retreat or something like that, a group get together. So we can actually do something like that. Let's just say, okay, let's just also choose party. So you can choose any of these. The first thing is just for you to actually sign in and edit your templates. You would see the wish list, or the list will come up later. So just choose your templates here. Food plus friends. Let's just choose this. You can choose any templates. So I'm not going to edit the text in this. If you want to, you can just click on the text box editor will come up. Just click on next to go to the event details. uh, so from here, this is where you get to actually add your what to bring list. You can see this is turned off, so click turn it on, and then you can add all your items. So it depends on the program you're organizing. So if I want to sleep over, I'll just say something like blanket. Oh, this is my house, I already have. Oh, I can just add food and drinks and stuff like that. But if I'm going for a camp, if you want to go for a camping expenditure, uh we can just add stuffs like torch lights, touch quantity, how many to. Or if you're planning on exploration, you can just add a bunch of items you want here. Chips, um, let me see, sprays. So once you're done, you can click on add another item. You can specify the quantity, and after once the list is complete, click on save, and then it will be added to your list. So it will be added to part of to what you're sending to the um guests. So once you're done, you can say I have three items here. You can add as many items as you want, and you can go to next, which is the gifting um section, in case you want to gift. Let's say the person is having a birthday celebration or something, but since we do not want that, we can just come over here and then finish it up, do the necessary work, and then that's it, guys. We have it completed. So that's how to actually send or create a what to bring list on Evite. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comments section below, and I would really love that. Also, please subscribe, guys, please. Okay guys, have a great day.